Good afternoon, guys. So we're starting off a vlog at probably around after 4, near 5 o'clock. Why? I don't know. I just feel like vlogging. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, I am Shakay. I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Click the bell to be notified every time I make a video. So yes guys, it is Thursday afternoon. I finished club meeting like a few minutes ago. Haven't been feeling the best from morning, but you know, we're making do. Anyways, got myself a snack. We're gonna get some work done. I was doing some work from morning. I set up like about 2 tests or 3 tests for morning. Two tests for morning. I did the other one yesterday. So I set up 2 tests for morning. I had class plus you know, just getting stuff done. So I'm gonna finish the next test. I have 1 test left, and then I'm gonna do some CXC work, some C-Tangles work. Guys, I am so, you know, when you're anxious, you have some, my anxiety is really at the peak right now. Guess why? Let me sit and talk to y'all, or put down the phone and talk to y'all. Alright, so I couldn't find anywhere outside there to put the phone, so I came back in the room. Alright, so this is the issue. Oh, the sun. So the issue is, it's almost December, and by this time last year I already had my intro, my outro, pretty much everything. This year it is currently, today's the what, the 18th of November. Bear you me, I have nothing planned. Well, I have ideas of what I want to do, but I haven't really put anything together. So my anxiety is just feeling like I'm not gonna get everything done. Anybody feel like me? But yeah, I guess probably because of the heavy timetable this year, I haven't really gotten a lot of time to do things for me. Not gonna, this is like the worst. This has been like the worst term so far. I just literally don't have any time for myself, right? So alright, so pretty much I need to get the Vlogmas things done. No, I haven't been posting a lot, and that's why I'm fretting so much for Vlogmas, because I always like the idea of doing Vlogmas like every day, and I will feel very disappointed if I don't get to do it. So knowing that right now I'm struggling to even put up videos 3 times a week because of time, I feel like December is going to be even worse, because December, well, probably not the front part, because you know, like the front part, well, probably not the last part, because the last part, you know, I'm not in school. But the first part, hopefully, because all right, let me tell you, information is on the phone, and I'm using the phone. It's like the first part of December we should be having like tests from about the 6th thereabout. So my test and all of those should be ready from before, like next week Tuesday. I haven't started, so I need to start them and finish them for next week. So that has to be done over the weekend. I have the what is it called? Oh, revision. I have revision like from the last week in November into the last part of November into the first week of December. I'm trying to figure out the date. So I think that last week there, where I'm gonna actually start Vlogmas, the week starts with November, I think. Yeah, I think December 1st is like in the middle of the week or at the end of the week, somewhere there both. I'm not sure. I'm going to check. It's actually not very end of it. So the week starts the 29th of November and ends the 3rd. Yeah, the work week, that I mean. So the Monday, that's the 29th to the 3rd, I will have revision, and then the test starts on the 6th. So Vlogmas starts on the Wednesday. And on that Wednesday, which is not next week but the other week, the intro must go up. So at least I'll have a little bit of freedom-ish, like with revision. Yeah. But yeah, that is what's been going on, guys. As I eat my cheese balls right now. Even my we have cantata practice to start. So what am I talking about? We don't have any free time. Anyway, I'm gonna stop talking to y'all for a sec. I'm gonna get some work done, and I'll update you when some of the work is done.
His and her type closet, so it needed a little makeover. We went to IKEA, got the pack system, loved it.
Good morning, guys. It is Friday morning, and currently it's after 8. It's like 5 minutes or so after 8. Like God. So we got the news yesterday that the electricity was gonna leave us today from 8 to about 6. So at 8:02 the light went. So I'm gonna hurry, and I wanted to vlog today and I forgot to charge the camera, so I'm gonna have to use the phone and hope that I have enough battery left. So let's just make our bed, and then yeah, that's that. All right, guys, so that bed is now made. That's the bed I sleep on, but it always happens. So I need to like get all of that fixed.
I went bag shopping.
Right, in my mother room. Shitty for all of the bag they bought in my mother room. But anyways, just fixing up my little chair and all. Getting my life together for the day. As I said, this bed needs to fix. And just to tidy up the room. And then I'll be done with the room. Alright guys, so the bed is now fixed. But I'm gonna have to pull it up in a few, because these are all clean clothes, right? They're all clean clothes, and I need to fold those, so I need to get that off the list. I did clean the room pretty much, but these are gonna like fix because I'm gonna pack, so I can't take off clean room. I have to fold my clothes. I have my sister's here to do. These need to like come off for the day because this is like the day, so I'm gonna remove this and then put something else. So like the register and stuff like that, because these need electricity. So yeah. All right guys, so we have changed our little to-do list for the day. So I finished my cleaning off room. I have folding clothes, my sister's here, my form register, class register. I'm gonna wash my makeup brushes. They need help. And then I might comb my hair. So that's what I'm doing for today, and if anything else come up. So yeah. Okay guys, this is like so dark, but anyways, I want to make some coffee right now because I want coffee. So I think I'm gonna make some coffee, but I'm gonna give my sister this first. So I want some iced coffee. What? Say yes guys. Ooh, this is so cute. Anyways, breeze feel nice outside. I wish I could actually spend the day outside. I think when I'm coming with my sister's here, I'm gonna come outside because it feels nice out here. So yeah. Sing song, Shanique.
Imena.
Imela.
Mashimu. What did you tell her to give me some flitters, please? I'm begging.
I've been wanting something.
I bet you go live and tell them to the mother and give me no
I've been wanting something from you. You ain't giving nothing.
Start folding. My sister had 2 sets for me, so she folded those. So I'm gonna start fold now.
Your mother complain.
So
I've been wanting something from you. You ain't giving nothing. I've been wanting something from you. You ain't giving nothing.
alright guys, I've finished the folding. These are like the small clothes that I'm just gonna fold like when I'm putting it into the drawer, so I'm just gonna leave that. So I need to fix the drawer. Alright guys, I'm just gonna straighten my drawer. I'm not gonna show you guys that because I've shown this like a million times. So I'm just gonna straighten my drawers, and since like the light is not here, I don't want to finish the batteries, so I'll see you guys when I'm done. Alright guys, so it's currently 5:54 or thereabouts. I finally finished my dresser. Still not that pleased, still have something that I want to change, but we're gonna let it be. Listen to me, you're a bit mad. Like, anyways guys, so I think I'm gonna get something done, like refood, and then I'm trying to wait until the light comes back, the electricity gets back, to actually shower, because I want to shower and not use a bath. So